Hi, ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ medium backgroundରୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ପରିକା and you are a working professional or a job seeker or maybe an government exam aspirant, then you might be using these sentences ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି and you don't even know that you are making blunders. Today, I'm going to show you what are those 7 very, very common sentences that we use in our day-to-day life, especially in our corporate environment, and we don't even know that we are making a lot of mistakes while doing that. And not only that, today I will show you what is the correct response to each of those sentences and kimiti apana sedaku practice kariparibe mo saito. So, are you all ready to learn? Just type RTL in the comments, ready to learn. Hi, this is Srimay, and I'm the founder of Odisha Digital Coaches Hub, which is an online community dedicated to help all of you Odias to improve your communication skills. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରୁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଗଲ୍ ସବୁ କ'ଣ ଆଉ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଜ୍ ବନାଏ ଯେଉଁଟାରେ କି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ହେଲ୍ପ ହେବ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ୍ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. So ଆମର already online community ବି ଅଛି. ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଅଧିକ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then don't forget to check the link in the description so that you can join our free masterclass. Now, coming to today's topic, okay? Odia to English. We think in Odia and try to translate it in English, and there are 7 sentences which you should definitely stop saying, especially when you are writing an email or you're speaking with somebody, let's say in an interview or a meeting. Okay, so number 1, pay attention. Number 1 is I did not understood. Okay, कौन एटा रॉन्ग बिकॉज डिड परे जो वर्ब आसे सेटा सबुबले फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ही जाए. आई डिड नॉट वेंट हबनी, आई डिड नॉट गो हबो, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हबनी कौन हबो, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टूड हबनी कौन हबो, आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, अंडरस्टूड हबनी अंडरस्टैंड. So remember, did pore जो verb टा थाए सेटा first form of the verb हुए, second form of the verb केबे भी हुए नहीं, even if you are saying it in past tense. Okay, because did is already past tense. Gote sentence re gote hi past tense roibo. Okay, second is another very common mistake that people do. More of a doubt ach, I'm having a doubt. No, what you should say is I have a question. डाउट गोटे एमती वर्ड जोटा कि नेगेटिव सेंस रे यूज करा जाए, जाको आमे डाउट करू किबा किछि गोटे किछि गोटे संदेह करू कि किछि गोटे भूल काम करछि सेटर आमे डाउट यूज करू. जदि आपनको पाखरे किछि गोटे क्वेश्चन अछि किबा आपनको क्लैरिटी दरकार, देन से आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक. बंधुगण, रिवर्ट माने हला टू कम बैक. तो बेसिकली जदि आप कहते प्लीज रिवर्ट बैक, सो बेसिकली यू आर ट्राइंग टू से प्लीज कम बैक. Now obviously that is incorrect. So what you should say is that please get back to me. Instead of saying please revert back on this email, I want project report status, please revert back ASAP as soon as possible. Don't say that. Say that I need the status of the project report, please get back to me as soon as possible. Okay, next होची I will discuss about it. बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक मु आ विषय कथा हेबी. I will discuss about it. Remember, discuss माने हला already thinking about or talking about. Sorry, talking about, not thinking about. So discuss already has about in it. So if you're saying I will discuss about it, it means that I will talk about it, just like revert back. Okay, so we don't want to do that. So what we want to say instead is I will discuss it. Let's discuss our meeting, let's discuss our future plan, let's discuss our life. Discuss about use kariba chhadi diyantu. Okay, so एटा गोटे बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक लोक माने करंती, माई सेल्फ नेम कर दियंती जेतरो भी से माने इंट्रोड्यूस करियो चाहंती. whenever they want to introduce themselves, they say that hi, myself Pradyumna, myself Sodamini, myself Kiran, myself Srimay. No, Please do not use this. Myself is used only when there is a possessiveness. For example, I did this work myself. Mu nije e kamata kali. Jette porjanto apna seda mean karunahanti, do not use the word myself, the pronoun myself. Okay. So what you should say simply is, hi, I am Srimay. Hi, this is Srimay. Good morning. This is Srimay. Okay, so this is kimba I am apna use kar paribe. Never start your introduction by saying myself and name. Clear? Okay. Next one is more kamo achi, right? I have one work. Now depending on the context, more kamo achi, gote kotha habar achi, right? I have one work. No, what you should say, the better way to say is that I have something to discuss. I have something to discuss. I need to talk to you about something. You can talk like that. Okay. Never say I have one work. Okay. More kamo achi. One work. Gotte kamo achi. Eta pura pure translation kariki kar do. Native English speakers, jo anko mother tongue English, they never talk like this. Okay. So be very clear. Okay. Last point hala. Eta hochi seventh sentence. Do one thing. Gotte kamo karo. Do one thing. You do one thing. Right? Bohu jano managers, senior managers, VPs mu dekhichi eta use karanti. Absolutely wrong. Do one thing, gote kamo karo. No, don't do Odia translation. Say, here is what I suggest. Here is what I suggest. Okay, eta mu apanku suggest kurchi kariba pai. Okay, so ready? There you go. These were the 7 sentences. Mone rakhantu ki knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. So let's practice. Don't treat it as a one-way communication. Let's practice. So mu bartaman apan go to the sentence dekhouchi. Wrong sentence apno right sentence ta kuhantu. Okay, so let's begin. Prathamada, I did not understood. What is the correct way? Kuhantu. Very good. Next, I am having a doubt. What is the correct way? Authre, tinthra. Very good. Acha, please revert back. Eta bhul hala. Thik ta kono? Out thro. Fantastic. Next, I'll discuss about it. Discuss pore about lagini. So what is the correct way? Fantastic. Myself name कहबेनी कौन कहबे आपन नाटा कह दियंतु practice with me. Fantastic. Spoken English, right? You have to speak, not write. Speak. Yeah. Tapre, I have one work. I have. Correct. Out of throw. Very good. So, my dear friends, hope this was really useful to you. If it was really useful, just type TWS, time well spent, in the chat box. And remember that, knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. So, aji apno janile ei satata bahut common sentences. Please start using it. Means that please start saying the correct forms of those sentences. Don't just do Odia to English translation. Rather, you should try to convert your Odia sentences to professional English. If you are someone who is looking forward to improve your communication skills so that you can really attract the correct salary, the correct respect, the correct designation in your career and clients in your business, then don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, share this video, and comment whatever question that you have, because I will be making these videos only for you. So your energy will drive my energy. Show that positive attitude of learning, and I promise you I'll help you out, because it's a more mission to help Odias to improve their communication skills. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope this was a time well spent. This is Srimay signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.